welcome back to my channel. This video I'm going to be showing you how I got this long, sleek kind of ponytail. This is my first time doing a sleek ponytail, and I just wanted to try it on camera. Don't come for me in these comments, because I know like the back of my hair is a little bit bumpy, just a little bit, but you know, I tried. You know, my edges may have a relaxer, but the rest of this is natural, girl, so it's hard trying to get this snatched, but I did the best I can. If you like this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. If you're new to my channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button. And girl, if you want to see how I got this ponytail, then you got to keep on watching. All right, so you basically want to start with clean hair because it makes it easier to, you know, maneuver. And I'm just going to start by making my part because, you know, it just seemed like the best place to start is making the part. Okay, so after you make sure that the part is straight, next thing I'm going to do is section my hair. So in this video, I'm doing like a whole bunch of sections. Like I did a section in the back, and then I did multiple sections in the front. But ultimately, I found, like after I did this ponytail a couple of times, I found that it was easier to just do 3 sections. So do this little section in the back, like I'm doing right here. And then in the front, just make that into just 2 sections instead of like 50, like what I just did. Now, after I made that section in the back, I'm just going to go through each individual section and lay it with my gel. I'm using the Eco Styler gel, the green gel. And I'm just putting it on each section, and I'm just going to brush it and comb it. I'm literally using everything that I can to get this section to be straight, because I didn't have a good hard brush. Let's just talk about that, okay? Get a good hard brush, please, for this hairstyle. My green brush that I'm using is soft, and it was, I mean, no. You need a hard brush. So, anyways, I'm just putting the gel into each section and just brushing it, and then I'm just going to gather each section and add it to the ponytail in the back. And once again, you can see me making yet another part, which is so completely unnecessary. Please do not do this. I almost wanted to like re-record this video because I found an easier method, but just heed my words. Don't do 50 million parts. This is so unnecessary. Just do 3, like that style you had when you were 5 years old, the big old ponytail in the back and the 2 ponytails on each side and the front. Just do that and then gather it back into 1 ponytail, but it'll save your life. Woo, make sure you get that kitchen, girl. Can't leave that out. That's the most important part. Oh, child, you know I'm tired, but at least we are done with the ponytail. Kinda. Next, I'm just going in with my favorite swooping utensil, my toothbrush, and I'm going to swoop my edges, because what is a ponytail without laid edges? Even if you just want your hair to go straight back, it should be laid. And make sure they look nice. Put them swoops in there. And if you want to know how to do swoops, I also have a video on how I do my edges, and I will link that down below. And so the next key is to wrap your edges, which you would know if you watched my how I do my edges video. But I mean, your edges of your hair kind of is like the introduction to the ponytail. You want to make sure you make a good introduction. So you want to wrap your edges, and then you also want to wrap the ponytail itself to help it lay better. Okay, and so this next part is where we get funky, right? There is so many different ways that you can do the back end of this ponytail. So me, for the sake of time, I just decided to flat iron my natural hair. But some people braid this part and then wrap the ponytail with that like barber paper, those strips, wrap it with that, and then they glue their hair around that. I, at this point in time, didn't have glue nor barber strips, so I did it the old-fashioned way. But honestly, it's better to do it the barber way, where you like wrap it in that paper and then glue the hair to the paper, because you don't see your real hair through this hair. Because, girl, no. And now we're just gonna get ready to watch fun clips of me wrapping my ponytail. Don't worry, this will be sped up. Oh yeah, and I forgot to mention that I secured the hair with bobby pins, because I was not gluing this to my hair. Okay, so next I'm just gonna go through and detangle this ponytail and get ready to flat iron it and style it so that it looks cute, girl. I need life. Okay, and here I'm just taking a small piece of the ponytail from underneath and I'm wrapping it around just to cover my tracks so I don't look crazy. And I'm gonna pin this with a bobby pin. All right, and we're just gonna throw those finishing touches on the hair and we are done. I'm too sexy for my hair, too sexy for my hair, too sexy for my hair. I'm just kidding. Y'all, so this was quick and easy, and the more that you do it, the faster you'll get at doing this ponytail. Again, listen to my tips, 3 sections, throw that guy back into a ponytail, wrap that guy on up and keep it moving. All right, you guys, thank you so much for watching this video. I'm about to go, so adios, till next time.
I've been in the dugout, looking for a way out. You know, just taking it slow.